There you go, there you go.
Kelly!
She's looking at it, Clark.
Okay, everybody. I'm going to take you into the cabin. There are ticks out. Surprise, surprise. That time of year for them too. Okay, everybody, it's time to start dinner. and I want to show you what I'm doing here at the cabin, what Mark and I are doing as a team for dinner. So this is our wood stove. Yes. We always keep a pot of water going on the wood stove. This is just a plate we're using, but usually we have a different pot and then, of course, a lid that we can take on and off. But I don't mind picking up the plate and flipping it over and let the moisture come off. Okay, so over here we have broccoli. I spiced it. First I put, I have grapeseed oil up here, so I put that in the pan, and then the broccoli pieces, and then I poured and, well, drizzled oil over the broccoli and put garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper. And then I mixed it up. And now it's sitting on the top level of the stove. And down here, we're cooking our potatoes. Sizzle. In about 20 minutes, we will flip those potatoes. And then we pull them out and just kind of let them sit. But this is how we cook our potatoes in the wintertime. See that smoke? Where there's smoke, there's fire or charcoal. Kelly. We are barbecuing pork shoulder pieces. Ta-da! I also have a mixed drink. So I infused vodka with plums and other vodkas with cucumber and berries and I think maybe apples I did once. But anyway, this one is plum and it is mixed with seltzer water. It's like a 50-50 and it is super yummy. Cheers! It's almost like a dessert drink. It's so good. But I don't have ice. I think that would probably cut it a little bit, but it is perfect just the way it is. There is our mountain at about 5:30 in the evening. Mount Adams. I can hear the wind starting again. It was a beautiful day at the cabin. Beautiful day at the cabin. The clouds are coming in. Doesn't look like we're going to be able to see much of the sky tonight. I guess we'll wait and see. You made me jump, Kelly. Okay, so the potatoes are out of the stove and the broccoli is still cooking away, and we have turned the pork for one last time. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. So beautiful. Venus and the moon. Look at that. Marco, call me out here. Come look, come look. Yes, look. What's that, babe?
They smell them.
Good.
You can smell them, you know, all the air, all the moisture coming off of them. Ow. 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 Ow.
Look at that beautiful pork. Oh, fantastic. So we have some cottage cheese and some butter and some parsley and our potato. And here is the broccoli. Let's plate it up. The star of the meal, the plate. Thank you for watching, everybody.